Hey guys, welcome back to Avoine Mall, the only channel where boring jobs suddenly look sexy when you see the paycheck. Today we're talking about 7 boring but high-paying remote jobs that are always hiring in 2025. So if you're ready to make money while yawning at your laptop, stay tuned. Imagine this. You're sitting at home in your pajamas, eating Cheetos, Netflix running on mute, and you're still making $500 a day. Sounds fake? Nope. It's just boring jobs, baby. Let's go. Data entry is basically copy-paste, copy-paste, copy-paste. Sounds boring, right? But guess what? Companies pay $20 to $35 an hour for this. That's more than some people earn while pretending to be busy in office meetings. Where to find? Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Indeed. Skill required? Just fast typing and not falling asleep midway. Bookkeeping is like babysitting. But instead of kids, you babysit numbers. Every small business in America needs this. Average pay? $25 to $60 per hour. That's enough to buy you Starbucks every single day. With extra caramel drizzle. Where to find? Sites like Belay and Bookminders. Skill? Learn QuickBooks or Xero and you're golden. Okay, this one is fun if you like talking, but boring if you don't. You just sit and answer, "Hello sir, did you try turning it off and on again?" Pay is around $18 to $25 per hour, plus benefits. Where to apply? Amazon Jobs, Apple at Home Advisor, Concentrix. Skill? Just be nice even when the customer is angry. Like, "Yes, Karen, I totally understand your Wi-Fi feelings." Imagine doctors talking, "Patient has blah blah syndrome," and your job is to type it word for word. Easy money, $25 to $40 per hour. Where? Rev, Transcribe Me, Go Transcript. Pro tip, get a good pair of headphones or else you'll end up typing banana instead of bandana. This one sounds fancy. Basically, you're the boring cop of the company. You check rules, read contracts, and make sure nobody's doing shady stuff. Salary? $70K to $110K a year. Where to apply? LinkedIn, Glassdoor, Indeed. Skill? Just read paperwork carefully. Yes, it's boring, but hey, boring pays bills. Companies create gadgets, apps, and tools. Somebody has to explain how to use them. That's you, the technical writer. Average pay? $30 to $50 char. Where? Upwork, Freelancer, LinkedIn. Bonus, you don't need to be Shakespeare. You just write things like, "Press this button to make coffee." Done. Imagine stacks of boring insurance papers, and you're the person who stamps yes or no. Pay is around $22 to $30 HR. Not glamorous, but steady. Where? GEICO, Allstate, Progressive, United Health. Skill? Attention to detail. Like checking if the guy really had a car accident or just parked badly. Quick question for you guys. Would you rather take a boring job that pays $500 a day or an exciting job that pays $150 a day? Comment below. Let's see who's honest and who's chasing passion. So there you go, 7 boring but high-paying jobs that are always hiring in 2025. They may not make you famous, but your bank account will definitely be smiling. Which one would you actually try? Tell me in the comments. Share this video with that one lazy friend who's always broke. And don't forget to subscribe to Avoine Mall for more hidden money hacks. Until next time, stay boring, but stay rich.